Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan Talks, Mrs. Morgan Talks, and I'm here to discuss the Mer The Concealer right here. If you are new to my channel, I'm a Mer junkie. I'm a luxury skincare junkie straight up, and I'm always doing reviews on all types of skincare product, but specifically, luxury. She's a little high end when it comes to skincare. So let's get right into this video. I am new to the Mer makeup game. I have like a ton of Mer skincare, but when it comes to makeup, I just started buying it. I had recently purchased the Mer the Soft Fluid Foundation, and of course, just because I can't have one Mer makeup product, I buy Mer the Concealer. So before I start this video though, girl, I need to put some lipstick on. I figured I'd bring you guys, I'd let you guys see this, why not, So we're gonna do a nice little nude. I like this a lot. It's Doll 10 Lip Velvet. I think I got this in some type of box, and I love this formula. So let's get started. The reason why I buy Mer makeup is because there are skincare benefits to their makeup. They have their beloved and coveted Miracle Broth in all of their products. So I am not a big makeup wearer. I don't like putting heavy foundations on my face. I hate clogging my pores. I'm just a skincare lover through and through. But makeup that has Miracle Broth in it passes the test for me. So I ordered this. Now, the packaging is similar to the Soft Fluid Foundation packaging. It is white cardboard, raised font. Again, please excuse the nails. You know why I haven't gotten them done in over a month. And in this product, you get 0.14 ounces. I got the color in light 12. It is $80 for this concealer. $80. Now, I typically don't like to say things are expensive because I'm always like, oh girl, splurge, you deserve it. But $80 for a concealer is pretty steep. Now, let me read you a little bit about this $80 concealer. What it is, a medium to full coverage anti-aging concealer with youth-boosting antioxidants, available in 4 shades, which is nice. It's easy to pick like an online shade. Okay, the finish should be natural. The formulation is cream. The skin type it belongs to, should go on, is normal, dry, combination, and oily. So basically like all skin types, girl. Okay, what else you need to know? Yeah, I wanna know a little bit more about this $80 concealer. This ultra creamy, weightless concealer melts into your skin with medium to full coverage. Well, it better melt and it better do magic. Imperfections appear blended away for long-wearing, buildable coverage without creasing or settling, and skin is infused with Miracle Broth. Okay, that's where $80 is going. The love and beloved magical potion that is Miracle Broth. The legendary healing force that flows through all Mer products, baby. So let's get it popping. Let's open it up. $80, girl. $80. $80. Okay. Whoo. Now, okay. We got instructions. These are typical little Mer instructions that they give you. This ultra cute, okay. It's kind of important that I read this to you because it looks like it has more information. Okay, this ultra creamy concealer with our potent Miracle Broth melts into the skin with a veil of weightless coverage, youth boosting benefits, and antioxidants. There, that sounds much better. Imperfections appear blended away as skin is treated and looks transformed. This treatment-powered concealer hugs contours for long-wearing, buildable coverage. All that emanates is naturally flawless radiance. Now that's what we're talking about. Sephora, fix your website and put that language on the $80 concealer, not what you had. So we're not just paying for makeup here, we're paying for skincare benefits. That's good. That's why I'm doing this review. Okay, packaging. It's a little silver bullet like this. It does say Mer, where you could see it in the camera. I don't like how light this is, and honestly, it feels a little cheap to me. Same thing with the top of the fluid foundation. This part right here, this part is very light and flimsy feeling, and I didn't like that. And I'm getting the same vibes with the concealer packaging. I'm just saying $80 Make it a little heavier, La Mer. Everything else, the design, of course, is beautiful. So it looks like a lipstick. We're gonna bring it up and we twist it up like that. So to me, it looks like a lipstick, but obviously it's not. I've never had a concealer where I didn't have like a doe foot application or anything like this before. So I think that's really neat. And it's really gonna depend on how nice and effortlessly it glides across your under eye, because you gotta watch with tugging, especially in the skincare world. I'm hoping La Mer made this magical. You guys, I have no foundation on. I only have moisturizer on. I'm going to go in with this eye with no La Mer moisturizer, just like a regular moisturizer. But then on this side, I'm going to dab some of the La Mer Moisturizing Cool Gel Cream underneath my eye to see how this product works over its own moisturizers. How about that? So I have it about here so it doesn't break. Okay, smooth on to blend away imperfections such as spots or pimples and dark circles under the eye. For a flawless look, use the soft fluid longwear foundation and set with the powder, each sold separately. Yeah, I know that. I know that, girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna sweep under. Looks a little light. Oh, okay, so this is very matte. Okay, I'm going in with my finger. This is the strangest concealer I've ever felt. It's so lightweight, you guys, so lightweight. Oh my God, but it blends in so beautifully. I'm not having the best skincare day, I'm aware, but what? You guys, what is this? Just we'll do a little dab will do ya. Okay, you guys, right off the bat, this is insanely lightweight. Like it does not feel like a thick cream. It doesn't feel sticky or crusty. I literally just don't feel it. I don't feel this. It almost feels dry, but I don't think saying that it's dry is correct. Wow, okay, yeah, we'll bring you guys in even closer. What do you guys think of this? It is insanely, I don't even know what to say. I don't even feel like it's, so I think that's what I love about the La Mer makeup, is that it's so lightweight and effective that I don't feel it on my face, and I'm extremely comfortable. So A++ in the fact that I don't even know what's under my eye. And I can't see this product creasing because it's so light and not thick that I don't even see this product being able to bunch up under my eye. What is this freaking magic that is La Mer now? This is my newest La Mer cream. Separate video on this soon. All right, so we're just gonna do a little bit because this cream goes insanely, an insane long way. So here it is. We just have a little dab will do me, just to put under my eye and just gently sweep it under. Man, the cooling gel cream's so lit. I'm sorry, just a little tidbit. It's so lit. So we're just gonna sweep this under my eye. Oh, look at that beautiful natural glow I get. Now, let's apply it on this side. Let's get it poppin'. Gently sweep over here. I'm really dark. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay. I'm always really dark, like in my tear duct there. Okay, so this is definitely feels softer with the cream being applied underneath it. It's like so soft. Okay, so my advice though would be to pat this in, not do this, because I just did that and I feel like the coverage is just a little more sheer. I don't think this is covering my under eyes that great, but it's effectively doing something on a natural level. I just did this because I want to see if I could, because typically I'm using this with my fingers. Like, I can't see a brush working well with this. So I'm just gently building this up. So here, this little red spot here, let's see how it covers there. Doesn't cover it. It's so sheer. Okay. Lightly, you want to pat really light. You don't want to go in hard. Yeah, this definitely is not full coverage. That's for sure. If you can see, the concealer is on under my eyes. So this side actually seems to look better than this side to me with the cream underneath. Although this side looks very well moisturized because of the cream that I had applied, for some reason I used less product over here than this side, and it seemed to have been able to grasp under my eye better with it being just a little dry. So that's a good thing, I think, because sometimes I don't like to go in with eye creams because for some reason, allergy season, my eyes get very irritated and I don't like to go very close with any types of creams, especially because they move. So I really like that this product performed very well under a dry under eye. I think that's actually pretty special. And for it to not look extremely dry and as flawless as it does, I'm really impressed. And I do have to say this is unlike any concealer I've ever tried. It has a completely different idea. I mean, the whole point of La Mer makeup is to look effortlessly natural and filtered and really show off your skin. And I really like that, you guys. I do. And this concealer, I'm gonna learn more about over time. So I'll keep you guys updated. It's definitely different than, oh God, the Tarte Shape Tape. I cannot deal with Tarte Shape Tape. Could you guys deal with Tarte? It's not even coming out, whatever. Sheer, effective, and natural is how I'm going to describe this concealer to you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you are a lover of the La Mer makeup line, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have used this product or what is your favorite concealer in general. Again, I like these products because they do have skincare benefits and they're just very unique, as all La Mer products are. Thanks so much, you guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, and share my videos and channel with your friends. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.